If you want Firefox to open pages at a different zoom level by default, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. This is useful if text feels too small, pages look too cramped, or you simply want a more comfortable browsing experience every time you open a website. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tips just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the menu button. This is the icon with the three horizontal lines. From the menu that appears, click Settings. That will open Firefox's main settings page, where you can customize how the browser looks and behaves. On the left side of the settings window, click Accessibility. This section contains options that help you control how websites are displayed and how Firefox handles viewing preferences. Once you're in accessibility, look for the default zoom option. You'll see a drop-down menu next to it. Click that drop-down and then select the zoom level you want. You can choose a smaller zoom if you want more content on the screen, or a larger zoom if you want everything easier to read. After you select your preferred zoom level, Firefox will use that setting as the default for pages you visit. That means you won't have to manually zoom in or out every single time. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in comfort and usability, especially if you browse the web often. If you ever want to change it again, just come back to the same accessibility section and choose a new value from the drop-down. And that's all there is to it. You've now changed the default page zoom in Mozilla Firefox. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.